Hey guys, today we're going to look at a set of saddlebag organizers to help you declutter your saddlebags. If you're like me, you got stuff kind of just floating around in there and you need some kind of an option to kind of clean that up just a little bit. I know a lot of you probably enjoying the snow right now. I wish I was enjoying that snow as well. Like I said in my last video, I do miss the snow from when I lived in Indiana, but it was really nice being down here in the low 60s and sunshine while that snow was going on. It'd be nice if we could just wake up and have the snow and then be gone the next day. All right, so these are Kimimoto saddlebag organizers that I got from Amazon. And I think these were like 26 bucks. I'll put a screenshot up here of what they cost. These are like 26 bucks. And there's one for each side. So you can see this would be the right side of the bike. Has a zippered pouch here. Oh, it even has an R right there to tell you. Anyway, you can tell by how they look which side's going to go on. But big zippered pouch here. Another smaller pouch back here. That kind of expands as you fill it. You know, gets a little bit. You got a little bit of room there to put stuff in. If you can see that, there's a, you know, it's a couple inches wide. Pretty nice. It's got mounting holes here, and I'm sure those can be, if you need to change them a little bit, it looks like you got room to move them if you need to make them bigger or move. On the back there is some Velcro strips here to keep them from getting too out of whack in the bag, in the saddlebags. Like I said, those are Kimimoto's. I will put a link in the description below so you can check these out on Amazon for yourself and you can get you a set. I've got a couple of nice netted pockets up here. I usually throw my glasses in here and my sunglasses when I'm not wearing them. And this little, you know, there's a key ring there if you want to hang something on it inside the bag. There's a little pouch here and I'm not really sure what that's for, but it's just a long zippered pouch right here. And it's just a couple inches wide. A couple of bands here, elastic bands, and then another small netted pocket. Velcroed pocket back here that also expands like the one on the other side. As you can see, that's how full that is, or how thick that is. These are really nice, and my bike actually has a set of these from my Street Glide. The previous owner of that Street Glide that I had kept cigars in those bags, and I kept the bags because I didn't have any other organizers at the time, and I'm just getting tired of smelling cigars every time I open the bag. But I just thought it was time for a change, and they're really inexpensive, and these Kimimoto bags are really well made, and they do the trick and help you stash some stuff and keep things from getting scratched and keep your sunglasses and your glasses safe. It's a really cool little setup, and let me put these in and I'll show you how they look. They fit perfectly, didn't have to modify those holes in at all. The last pair I had, or last set I took out, the holes were really had been made a lot bigger, so I'm not sure if maybe they just didn't fit that Street Glide perfectly or what, but these fit perfectly. I had to just tighten them up, that's it. I didn't even need to put the Velcro on the back because they're nice and tight and it's not going to go anywhere. I don't carry a whole lot of stuff in these, but I'll put my glasses and sunglasses in here, and I've got some sunscreen in that back pocket and my insurance card and information, so not a lot of stuff in there, but as you can see, they both fit right in there. I've got my tool bag up in the front here, little bag of tools that I carry. Now I've got a cargo net in this one, and I don't know if I'll leave that stuff in there, but definitely got lots of room in those pockets for other stuff too. Plus it frees up the bag for whatever I want to throw in there. Again, those are Kimimoto's. Well, thanks again, guys, for stopping by and watching the video. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back. Please leave me a like and a comment down below. Y'all stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.